In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your broker to TradingView. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be set up to place trades directly from your charts using your existing brokerage account, all inside TradingView's interface. Start by opening your browser and searching for TradingView. In the results, choose the official site that says TradingView, Track All Markets. This ensures you're on the correct platform and avoids any lookalike pages. Once the homepage loads, head to the charting area by clicking Super Charts. Depending on your layout, this might also appear simply as Chart. You want the full-featured chart workspace where tools and panels are available along the bottom. In the chart workspace, look toward the bottom panel and select Trading Panel. This is the hub that lists supported brokers and the paper trading option. If you already know which broker you want to use the Find Broker search field. Type the exact name or a common variant, since some brokers appear under slightly different brand names. If you're exploring options or comparing partners, click Show All Brokers to browse the full list. Here you can skim through available integrations and see which ones support the markets and account types you use. When you see the broker you want, click it to open its connection tile. Take a quick moment to review any notes or features shown there, like order types, supported instruments, or whether demo accounts are available. When you're ready, click Connect. A secure login window from your broker typically appears. Complete the sign-in process as you normally would with your broker. If two-factor authentication is enabled on your account, have your code ready. If a pop-up doesn't appear, make sure your browser isn't blocking it. After a successful login, TradingView will show your broker status in the trading panel as connected. If your broker offers both live and demo environments, verify which one you're connected to before placing any orders. You can now place trades from the chart, access your positions and orders in the panel, and manage your account directly from this workspace. If symbols don't match perfectly between your broker and the chart, search for the correct market symbol on the chart first to avoid rejections. Also remember that real-time data on TradingView may differ depending on your subscriptions. This does not affect your broker's execution but can change what you see on the chart. That's it. You searched for TradingView, opened Super Charts, went to the trading panel, found your broker, and connected. Pause here, double-check the connection status, and you're ready to trade from TradingView with your broker.